Hi, my name is Carl from Frisco, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to install Caseborne Flip 5 case perfectly. First of all, get a clean clothes to wipe your phone. And then grab the case, open it up. There are a few strips, 1, 2, 3. Let's remove the strip from here. And here. Let's grab the extra strip, take it off, and add it up. Press and hold for a second, and gently remove the new adhesive strip. You can also grab the extra strip, put it aside. Then remove the protective film. Now grab your phone, open up your phone, tuck in the button, snap on the corner, and put it like this. Snap, snap. Now please fold it and press, hold. Press and hold. That's it.